Ever dreamt of running your own factory? Without massive investments and complex machinery? Starting a factory doesn't always require a fortune or years of experience. Today, we're exploring low-investment factory business ideas anyone can start. No experience needed. These ideas are perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs looking for a straightforward entry into manufacturing. First, let's talk about soap making. The demand for handmade, natural soaps is consistently high. The initial investment is minimal. Ingredients like oils, lye, and essential oils, plus basic equipment like molds and a mixing pot are required. Start small, selling your soaps online or at local craft fairs. Expand your product line to include bath bombs and lotions. The best part? Learn the basics through online tutorials and experiment without a huge financial commitment. Next, consider candle making. Similar to soap making, candle making requires a low initial investment. You'll need wax, wicks, fragrance oils, and containers. The market for candles is vast, with options for scented, decorative, and soy or beeswax candles. Offer custom candles or create seasonal collections. Start by selling to friends and family, then expand to online platforms. Another viable option is producing custom stickers and labels. The demand for stickers and labels is booming. You'll need a printer, cutting machine, and sticker paper. This business is highly scalable. Expand your offerings to include different sizes, shapes, and materials. Market your services to small businesses and event organizers. This is a great home-based business, requiring minimal space and startup costs. Let's not forget personalized gifts. The market for personalized gifts is always thriving. Think engraved items, custom printed mugs, or photo gifts. The initial investment will vary depending on the items. However, affordable options are available, such as sublimation printers or laser engravers. Partner with local businesses, offer products online, or create a retail space. Leverage your creativity and offer unique products. Finally, consider a small-scale food processing business. This could include making jams, jellies, or sauces. The initial investment depends on the food type and equipment. This can be very profitable if you focus on unique recipes or local ingredients. Ensure you comply with local food safety regulations. Sell your products at farmers markets, local stores, or online. These are a few ideas. The key to success is research, planning, and a strong marketing strategy. Before starting any business, research the market and identify your target audience. With dedication and hard work, you can turn these low-investment factory ideas into a thriving business. Good luck!